Let's make a coffee cake. We are going to start by mixing together 2/3 cup packed light brown sugar, 1/4 cup of flour, and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. I'm going to grab a separate bowl and add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, which I messed up and did tablespoons, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter diced. I'm going to mash that with the tines of forks and try to make the crumble topping. In another separate bowl, I'm adding 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 2/3 of a cup of sour cream, room temperature, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I decided to mix this by hand because I mixed everything else by hand, and then I realized by the consistency that I missed something. You also have to add 10 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter, and I decided to use the mixer for that. Next, we are going to place this into the baking dish. We want to put half of the batter down, spread it out. We are then going to top it with our cinnamon mixture from the beginning. That's the cinnamon filling. Then we're going to place the rest of the batter on top of that and spread that out to create an even layer. Once that's all spread out, I'm going to add the cinnamon streusel topping. It doesn't look great here, but it baked up just fine. So here it is prior to going into the oven, and then here it is out of the oven. And then I show off a slice of the cake. It was delicious.